back here on Tim 62. Waited and waited and waited for Justin to come over to go over this trans, and he hasn't. So remember, it's sticking in gear. So I've got the side plate off. I've already moved the shifters around once already. I'm trying to get everything located, but it's still sticking in gear. So I'm gonna pull the side cover off again. And let's see here. Gear out of the way. See, that's in gear, obviously. And you can see the wear pattern in this gear. That's in gear. Okay. So our location of neutral is not very neutral. Okay, so it's hard to show this, but I'm going to try to do it. Okay, it's a bit hard to show this because I'm doing it by myself, but that is now that's the location of neutral, and it is in fact neutral. So we need to figure out why this shift arm is not locating properly. Fun. Alright, so a little flipping around of the shift fork for first and reverse. We're now in neutral. There's first. There's neutral. There's reverse. There's neutral. But now we're locked up. Second or third. There's our problem. Alright, Burnsy. So, note, I'm turning this shaft and that's turning like it's in reverse, right?
Yep. Little movage.
I let off a little bit.
Not moving anymore.
That is true neutral. So this tells me that this fork's screwy.
Yeah.
But now look.
Now you have it.
Grab it. Grab it. You grab my shaft again. Oh, daddy, yes. So that's absolute neutral because you can.
I can hold on to it.
Neutral, neutral.
Oh.
And that's going into first.
Yep.
So it's between first and neutral. It's like the detent is too far towards reverse.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to pull this off and check that real quick. Alright, it's definitely the detent for the shift selector for first and reverse. It's so worn on one side, it won't locate properly. So it's in there loose. Fun! Alright, so Nick and I had this all apart. And we've launched springs and balls and all kinds of shit across the shop, which was really fun.
Nope. That's right there again.
That's exact neutral, which is not in the detent.
Nope.
So, it's the first reverse lever is worn. There's our problem. don't know why anybody couldn't find this or figure this out. But, you know, when you pay people to do stuff and they don't do it right, and then you have to take it back out of the truck and then wait around for them and they don't do it, and it just gets to the point where you just say fuck it and do it yourself. And now I figured it out. So guess what? Now I get to go on a wild goose chase. Wild goose chase, yay! But, hey, guess what?
Figured it out.
It's figured out now.
All right. Well,
You know, part 4 of figuring it out. Because, you know, you'd think the trans guy would figure it out when he does it.
well, until next time, right?
That guy spent more time focusing and less time trying to get his fucking dick wet.